Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are talking about one of the most beautiful and eye-catching fashion accessories in the world, the beaded crown. A beaded crown is more than just a decorative headpiece. It is a symbol of beauty, culture, creativity, royalty, and personal style. Across many cultures and fashion trends, beaded crowns have become popular for weddings, birthdays, festivals, fashion shows, traditional ceremonies, photo shoots, and even everyday glam looks. These crowns can be colorful, elegant, simple, or luxurious depending on the design and the occasion. Whether you love handmade fashion, royal-inspired accessories, or sparkling statement pieces, this video will show you why beaded crowns are becoming one of the hottest accessories in modern fashion. Beaded crowns have a long and fascinating history. In many ancient kingdoms and traditional communities, crowns represented power, honor, leadership, and beauty. Beads themselves also carry cultural meaning in many parts of the world. Different colors, patterns, and materials can symbolize status, spirituality, celebration, or artistic expression. Over time, fashion designers and handmade jewelry artists started combining beads with crown designs to create stylish and wearable art pieces. Today, beaded crowns are seen in bridal fashion, runway collections, music videos, beauty pageants, and social media fashion trends. The mix of sparkling beads and crown shapes creates a magical look that instantly attracts attention. One reason people love beaded crowns is because they are incredibly versatile. You can wear a delicate pearl beaded crown for a soft and romantic bridal look, or choose a bold, colorful crown for festivals and fashion events. Some crowns use crystal beads that shine beautifully under lights, while others feature wooden beads, gemstones, metallic beads, or floral bead patterns. Each design tells a different story. Some crowns look elegant and royal, while others feel modern, artistic, and playful. No matter your fashion style, there is a beaded crown design that can match your personality. Bridal fashion has played a huge role in the popularity of beaded crowns. Many brides today want something unique instead of traditional tiaras. A handmade beaded crown gives a bride a personalized and unforgettable look. White pearl beads create a timeless wedding style, while gold and silver beaded crowns add luxury and glamour. Some brides even choose floral-inspired crowns with pastel-colored beads for outdoor weddings or bohemian ceremonies. The beauty of a beaded crown is that it can complement many hairstyles, including curls, braids, buns, straight hair, or natural textured hair. It becomes the perfect finishing touch for a dream wedding look. Fashion influencers and celebrities have also helped make beaded crowns trendy again. On social media platforms, you can see stunning photos of models and influencers wearing detailed crowns decorated with sparkling beads and crystals. These accessories instantly make an outfit look more dramatic and luxurious. Some celebrities wear oversized crowns during music performances or red carpet events, while others choose minimalist beaded headpieces for elegant photo shoots. The crown becomes a statement accessory that transforms a simple outfit into something unforgettable. One of the most exciting things about beaded crowns is the creativity involved in making them. Many artists handcraft these crowns bead by bead, carefully designing every detail. Handmade crowns often require patience, skill, and imagination. Artists combine wire structures, beads, crystals, pearls, fabric flowers, and decorative elements to create unique designs. Some crowns take hours or even days to complete because every bead must be placed perfectly. This handcrafted quality makes each crown special and artistic. Unlike mass-produced accessories, handmade beaded crowns often feel personal and meaningful. Color is another important part of beaded crown fashion. Different colors can completely change the mood and style of the crown. Gold and white beads create a royal and elegant appearance. Black beads give a dramatic and sophisticated vibe. Bright multicolored beads create fun and festive energy, perfect for celebrations and festivals. Red beads symbolize passion and confidence, while blue beads can create a calm and magical aesthetic. Some designers mix several colors together to create rainbow-inspired crowns that stand out beautifully in photos and videos. Beaded crowns are also becoming popular in cultural fashion and traditional ceremonies. In many communities around the world, beaded accessories represent heritage and identity. Crowns decorated with handmade beadwork are worn during important celebrations, dances, weddings, and cultural festivals. These crowns showcase traditional craftsmanship and artistic beauty passed down through generations. Modern fashion designers are now blending traditional beadwork techniques with contemporary crown styles, creating accessories that celebrate both culture and modern fashion trends. Festival fashion is another place where beaded crowns shine. Music festivals, art festivals, and themed parties often feature bold and creative fashion styles. People love wearing colorful beaded crowns because they add sparkle, fantasy, and individuality to festival outfits. Some crowns are inspired by fairy tales, nature, celestial themes, or bohemian fashion. Large crystal beads, dangling chains, feathers, and floral details can turn a simple crown into a magical statement piece. Festival fashion encourages self-expression, and beaded crowns allow people to showcase their creativity and confidence. Another amazing thing about beaded crowns is how they work with photography. A crown instantly draws attention to the face and creates a regal appearance in pictures. Photographers often use crowns in beauty shoots, bridal photography, fantasy portraits, and fashion editorials. Beads reflect light beautifully, making the crown sparkle in photos and videos. This creates a luxurious and eye-catching effect that enhances the overall image. Social media creators especially love beaded crowns because they make content look elegant, artistic, and visually stunning. When choosing a beaded crown, comfort is very important. A crown should fit securely without feeling too heavy or uncomfortable. Lightweight designs are often best for long events like weddings or festivals. Adjustable crowns are also popular because they can fit different head sizes easily. Some crowns are designed with combs, elastic bands, or ribbons to help keep them in place. Comfort and style together create the perfect accessory experience. Hairstyling also plays a big role when wearing a beaded crown. Soft curls create a romantic and princess-like appearance. Braided hairstyles pair beautifully with bohemian or floral crowns. Sleek buns create a more elegant and royal look. Natural hairstyles can also look stunning with colorful or cultural beadwork crowns. The crown should complement the hairstyle without overpowering it. Many stylists recommend testing different looks before an event to find the perfect balance between hair and accessories. DIY fashion lovers also enjoy making their own beaded crowns at home. Creating a handmade crown can be a fun and creative activity. Basic materials often include wire, beads, pliers, ribbon, glue, and decorative elements. Some people follow tutorials online, while others create original designs from imagination. DIY crowns allow people to customize colors, shapes, and patterns based on personal style or event themes. Handmade crowns can also become meaningful gifts for birthdays, weddings, or special celebrations. The popularity of fantasy-inspired fashion has also increased interest in beaded crowns. Movies, television shows, fantasy books, and cosplay events often feature royal characters wearing elaborate crowns. Fans love recreating these magical looks using handmade accessories. Crystal beaded crowns, moon-inspired designs, floral crowns, and fairy-style headpieces have become very trendy among cosplay communities and fantasy fashion enthusiasts. These crowns help people express imagination and creativity through style. Luxury fashion brands and independent designers alike continue experimenting with crown designs. Some high fashion collections include oversized artistic crowns covered in crystals and pearls.